problems that can come with them. They shift, food gets caught in them, and that is just the beginning. But there is a way to improve your smile and the function of your teeth. And joining me now is Dr. Jerry Kaiser with Total Freedom Dental Implant to talk about that and, of course, the cost involved as well. It's good to see you again.
Stephanie.
Well, let's talk about what is commonly referred to as teeth in a day.
Teeth in a day, the technical dental term is fixed hybrid prosthesis. The fixed hybrid prosthesis is considered by dentistry to be the state of the art for replacing missing teeth in patients who have no teeth at all. The reason it's called teeth in a day, in just a single day, patients can get their implants and a permanent set of beautiful teeth that should be with them for a lifetime. It's the most satisfying service that dentists can provide for their patients. And you know what? I've never had a patient tell me that it wasn't worth the cost.
Well, let's talk more specifically about the cost involved.
It's going to be difficult to compare the cost because the process is very complex, not to the patient, but for the dentist and the lab tech, there are many steps involved. And at each step, a question needs to be asked. Are we going to do a passing level service or get a C, or are we going to strive for an A-level service? So in Phoenix, Arizona, if you're going to get an A-level service, you're going to pay between $22,000 and $24,000 for this procedure. Now, for that money, you should expect to receive 4 dental implants with a fixed set of temporary teeth that day. And then ultimately you should receive a permanent set of teeth that is structurally supported by a titanium framework that's designed on a computer and milled out with the help of a computer.
Okay, so let's also talk about the difference, though, when you do something like that between Total Freedom and other places that claim to do the same thing.
Okay. Well, if your dentist or your implant center uses the highest quality parts, pieces, and implants, and if the dentist that's placing the implants has 10 years of experience and 10,000 hours of practice, if the lab tech has 10 years of experience and 10,000 hours of practice and uses the uncompromised techniques, then there's not going to be much difference, and you should shop totally on price. But one significant thing that we offer at Total Freedom is what we call the insurance implant. Now, this prosthesis is also termed in dentistry all on 4, because dentists have determined that you need at least 4 implants to support this prosthesis long term. Dentistry has also determined that, unfortunately, there's a 5 to 10% failure rate on implants. So patients with an all-on-4 have a 5 to 10% chance that they will lose an implant and their dental work may not function properly. It requires about 3 months and several $1,000s to fix that. With the insurance implant, which we provide to our patients, 1 or 2 additional implants at no increase in the fee, if we do have that unexpected loss of an implant, we can repair that chairside in 30 minutes. That's a benefit to our patients, but you know what? It benefits us because we want simple fixes and we want happy, satisfied patients.
Well, it sounds like you've got a system that absolutely works. It absolutely works. It's always good to see you, Dr. Kaiser. And if you would like to get in and see Dr. Kaiser, you can reach him at Total Freedom Dental Implant Center. That phone number is 480-860-9002. You can also check him out online at totalfreedomdentalimplants.com.